Welcome back to my channel, folks. Thought I'd show you this incredible view up here in the high country.
Wait, what's that noise? Sounds like a giant angry bee. Hey! Get away from me, you flying pest! Shoo! Go on, get out of here! All right, that's it. You asked for it, little buzzer. Gotcha.
Well, that takes care of that problem.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Sometimes you gotta defend your territory from flying invaders. Until next time, keep it wild and drone free.